Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. It's time to announce the winners of my dual milestone giveaway. Now, a little over a week ago, I actually passed the 10,000 mark on Instagram, and this last weekend, while I was deep in the mountains at an archery shoot and a camping trip with my family, we passed 50,000 on YouTube, so I didn't even get to see the milestone happen, but when I came back to the civilization, there we were. So, I drew the names, it's time to let you know who it is. But before we do that, I sincerely want to thank everybody who's been following along with the channel until this point to help me get to this milestone. I really can't believe this has happened, and so it's all thanks to you guys. Now also a special thank you to the sponsors who helped me make this possible, because without their gifts, I wouldn't have a way to give back to you guys. So thank you to Rockler, to HomeRight, to ISOtunes, and to Chad at Mancrafting for providing these goodies to give to you guys. So, I know who the winners are. I've already reached out to the 5 winners, and 3 of them have gotten back to me, and they're good to go. I have their addresses. It's time to ship stuff out. 2 of you guys aren't responding to the messages that I'm trying to get to you. So, the winner of the Rockler Material Mate panel cart is a guy by the name of JC. That's the only name I've got for him. I'll leave a picture of his call sign up here if anybody knows anything about him. Have him get a hold of me. The other guy is, his name is Tyler Hawkins, and he won the ISOtunes Pro ear protection. But also, no picture, no contact information other than the name Tyler Hawkins. So if you guys want your stuff, hurry up and get a hold of me so I can get your addresses and get this stuff shipped out to you. If I haven't heard from you before Sunday of this week, I'm going to have to draw another name out of the list and give your prizes away to somebody else, so hurry up. As for the winners of the other products, the HomeRight Super Finish Max Sprayer goes to Willie Gardner. The Insulated Tumbler from Mancrafting goes to a guy named Bubba Hogue. And the Gunflint Designs swag package that I'm giving away is going to Dan at Double D DIY. So congratulations everybody. Thank you all very much for participating in this. Thank you to the sponsors for helping me out with it. And to JC and to Tyler Hawkins, hurry up or I'm giving your stuff away. That's it for this one. I'm going to have projects coming again starting next week. So thanks. We'll see you soon.